Hello friends, today I am going to unbox the Soumi Scan product Look Under Eye Gel. I had brought it from flipkart.com. It is packed in thick polythene casing, and here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my scissors and now I am going to cut it, and here I am ripping it open. The MRP of the product is rupees 85 INR, and here I have cut it, and this is the bill which is sent by Flipkart, and the price is rupees 85 INR. And here this is the product, the Soumi Scan product Look Under Eye Gel. And here I have taken out the product, nothing inside the packet, and here it is written Flipkart. It helps to remove dark circles, puffiness and fine lines and rehydrates the affected area. It can be used by both men and women alike. The product is organic. It effectively repairs under eye skin tone and reduces dark circles, puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles and improves the skin elasticity. It is made with natural ingredients like amlaki, cucumber extract, coconut water, haridra, yashti madhu, gajar extract, and wheat germ oil. It is formulated to fight fine lines and dark circles and puffiness around the eyes caused due to late nights, aging, etc. The new generation treatment with holistic restorative action makes you look younger. The Soumi Scan product is 100% vegetarian and guaranteed free of parabens and mineral oil. And here you can see these are the ingredients, and it is enclosed in a tube weighing 25 grams, and it can be used by both men and women alike. You can use it at night time or twice a day, or it can be repeated 2 to 3 times. And the product is also very nice, and it is very natural product. The Soumi Scan product Look Under Eye Gel, and here I have kept it, and now I am opening it, and here I have opened it, and now I am going to take it out. You have just to put a small drop on the tip of your ring finger and apply gently beneath the eye 2 to 3 times a day. And here I have taken it on my finger and apply gently beneath the eye 2 to 3 times a day, and the affected area will be fine. And the product is also very nice and very good. It is a unique combination of nature's most friendly bioactives and help to remove and restore youthfulness to the eye affected area, and the gel works faster and is absorbed faster, and regular use restores even complexion, suppleness and elasticity of the skin around the eye to keep your eye looking very beautiful and youthful. And it is also a very nice product. And the Soumi Scan product is 100% vegetarian and guaranteed free of parabens and mineral oil. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.